Logic sometimes creates monsters. It is by logic that we prove, but by intuition that we discover. Mathematics is the art of giving the same name to different things. It is through science that we prove, but through intuition that we discover. Thought is only a flash in the middle of a long night, but this flash means everything. Guessing before proving. Need I remind you that it is so that all important discoveries have been made? The scientist's brain, which is but a corner of the universe, will never be able to contain the entire universe. Experiment is the sole source of truth. It alone can teach us something new. It alone can give us certainty. To doubt everything and to believe everything are two equally convenient solutions. Each saves us from thinking. Pure logic could never lead us to anything but tautologies. It can create nothing new. Not from it alone can any science issue. If we wish to foresee the future of mathematics, our proper course is to study the history and present condition of the science. It is by logic that we prove, but by intuition that we discover. To know how to criticize is good, to know how to create is better. In one word, to draw the rule from experience, one must generalize. This is a necessity that imposes itself on the most circumspect observer. Physicists believe that the Gaussian law has been proved in mathematics, while mathematicians think that it was experimentally established in physics. The mathematician does not study pure mathematics because it is useful. He studies it because he delights in it, and he delights in it because it is beautiful. The scientist must set in order. Science is built up with facts, as a house is with stones. But a collection of facts is no more a science than a heap of stones is a house. A reality completely independent of the spirit that conceives it, sees it, or feels it, is an impossibility. A world so external as that, even if it existed, would be forever inaccessible to us. Most striking at first is this appearance of sudden illumination, a manifest sign of long, unconscious prior work. The role of this unconscious work in mathematical invention appears to me incontestable. Why is it that showers and even storms seem to come by chance, so that many people think it quite natural to pray for rain or fine weather, though they would consider it ridiculous to ask for an eclipse by prayer? Mathematicians do not deal in objects, but in relations between objects. Thus, they are free to replace some objects by others so long as the relations remain unchanged. Content to them is irrelevant. They are interested in form only. Thinking must never submit itself, neither to a dogma, nor to a party, nor to a passion, nor to an interest, nor to a preconceived idea, nor to whatever it may be, if not to facts themselves, because, for it, to submit would be to cease to be. La pensée ni doit jamais si soumeter, nia un dogme, nia un party, nia un passion, nia un interert, nia un idée préconçue, nia quoique soit, si en est aux faits humerms, parce que pour elle si soumeter, si serait cessar d'être. The aim of mathematical physics is not only to facilitate for the physicist the numerical calculation of certain constants, or the integration of certain differential equations. It is besides, it is above all, to reveal to him the hidden harmony of things in making him see them in a new way. How is it that there are so many minds that are incapable of understanding mathematics, the skeleton of our understanding, and actually they are the majority? We have here a problem that is not easy of solution, but yet must engage the attention of all who wish to devote themselves to education. The philosophers make still another objection. What you gain in rigor, they say, you lose in objectivity. You can rise toward your logical ideal only by cutting the bonds which attach you to reality. Your science is infallible, but it can only remain so by imprisoning itself in an ivory tower and renouncing all relation with the external world. From this seclusion it must go out when it would attempt the slightest application.